Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make an amazing appearing or revealing text. For that, go to Capcut application, then click new project, then go to the stock videos, then select the black color from the middle, click add from the bottom right corner, then text from the third place from the bottom side, then add text from the first place, then enter your text like I'm writing text reveal just for the demonstration. Okay, then go to the style, select your style, or go to the font to select a perfect font. So let me select this one. Okay, click the check mark, then delete the ending part. Okay, then from the top right corner click the export. So the video has been exported. Then you have to create another project, then click new project, then select a cinematic wooden tree camera. You can just search it to Google to download, like a camera view from the wood tree or a cinematic camera view from the wood tree. Then click the add mark, then from the bottom options click overlay. Okay, then click add overlay, then select that exported, then select that exported text, then click add from the bottom right corner. So here it is. Then click blend from the fourth place, then select lighten. Here it is, click the check mark, then place it anywhere you feel is better. Okay, now the main work is you have to tap on that text or the video with the text, then you have to go to the mask option. Here it is, click on it, then click on the first one, that is split, then you have to rotate it, then adjust it with the 3 level, then decrease it. Okay, then click the check mark. So it's not perfect, you can see, make it vanish. Okay, I click the check mark, then you have to add a keyframe. You can see a keyframe button just beside the play button. Here you can see that a black keyframe, you can see a red keyframe has been added. I'll go to the mask again. You have to just adjust it right now. You have to just move it. Okay, just maintain the angle. Here it is. You have to do it throughout the video. Make it perfectly. I think it's done. I'll click the check mark. Now I will show you how it looks. You can see it's looking amazing, right? So this is how easily you can make a revealing text. So I'm gonna show you again. I'm really liking it. This is really amazing, though there is some of the errors, but I think you can make it more interesting. So if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.